Hey there, foodies! Today, we're diving into the sizzling world of stir-fries with none other than the culinary maestro, Eva Pau. You might know her from her hit series, Eva Pau's Asian Kitchen, where she takes us on a delicious journey through Asian cuisine. But this time, we're focusing on her sensational stir-fries, and trust me, you're in for a treat. Now, what makes Eva's approach so captivating is her ability to simplify complex Asian recipes. She's all about making these dishes accessible to home cooks. And let's be real, who doesn't love a good stir-fry? It's fast, it's flavorful, and with Eva's guidance, it's foolproof. First up, let's talk about her simple fried rice. This dish is a game-changer for those busy weeknights. Eva's technique ensures each grain of rice is separate and fluffy, a common challenge many of us face. She shares a brilliant hack to achieve this, and I can't wait to try it myself. Personally, I think it's these little tricks that make a huge difference in the kitchen. But Eva doesn't stop there. She takes us on a flavor adventure with her black pepper beef stir-fry. This dish is a testament to the power of simple ingredients. What many people don't realize is that sometimes, less is more. Eva's recipe showcases how a few high-quality ingredients can create an explosion of taste. It's a real eye-opener for those who think complex dishes are the only way to impress. And for our veggie lovers, Eva has a treat with her veggie stir-fry. This dish is a celebration of colors and textures, and it's packed with nutrients. What I find fascinating is how Eva manages to make vegetables the star of the show. It's a great reminder that plant-based cooking can be just as exciting and satisfying. Now, Eva doesn't just share recipes, she also educates. She provides insights into the best equipment for stir-frying, which is often overlooked. In my opinion, understanding the tools is as crucial as mastering the technique. It's these small details that can elevate your cooking game. What really stands out about Eva's approach is her ability to demystify Asian cuisine. She makes it approachable and fun. This raises a deeper question: why do we often perceive certain cuisines as intimidating? If you take a step back and think about it, cooking is a universal language, and Eva is an excellent translator. In conclusion, Eva Pau's stir-fry recipes are not just about food, they're about sharing a culture, simplifying techniques, and inspiring home cooks. So, if you're looking to spice up your culinary repertoire, give Eva's stir-fries a go. You might just discover a new favorite dish and a newfound confidence in the kitchen. Happy cooking, everyone!